How to apply for Wells Fargo credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about applying for a Wells Fargo credit card online. So let's get started. So if you have a credit card of Wells Fargo, you can manage your Wells Fargo card easily with the various payment options including online, phone, and ATM. You can pay instantly, set up auto pay, or use the ATMs for the payments. You can also transfer balances to lower the interest, merge bills into one payment, and applying for the Wells Fargo credit card for the balance transfers and alert services. You can manage your money effectively with spending reports and budget tools. And Wells Fargo credit card also offers zero liability protection at no cost. Link card to checking account for the overdraft protection, and it's only charged when used. Type in credit card application Wells Fargo Bank in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. You need to click on the initial link that says credit card application Wells Fargo Bank. You will be taken to this kind of page where you have to enter your personal information. In the first field, you have to enter your social security number or the individual taxpayer identification number. So talking about your social security number or the individual taxpayer identification number, they ask you this to help pre-fill your information in the application process in order to verify your identity and obtain the credit history for processing your application. Now you have to enter your mobile number. Enter the correct form of your mobile number in this designated area, and by providing your number, you will be agreeing to receive one-time text message from the Wells Fargo with a link to verify your identity. So you authorize your wireless carrier to use or disclose this information about your account and your wireless device, if available, to the Wells Fargo, its affiliates, or its service provider for the duration of your business relationship, solely to help them identify you or your wireless device to prevent fraud. And you can also check their privacy policy about how they treat your data. So in place of receiving a text message, you may also visit your nearest nationwide marketing group location to complete the verification process in person for the activation of your credit card of Wells Fargo. And after you have entered your correct form of your social security number or the individual taxpayer identification number and your mobile phone number, you can click on this continue button in order to submit your information and begin the process. So this was all about it. This is how you can apply for Wells Fargo credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.